Oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen I4 from I4 Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. You might be wondering, what am I doing surrounded by graveyards or gravestones or in the cemetery? After church, I took the opportunity just to walk through the old streets that I used to walk when I was a young lad, way back in the 1970s, I think. And apparently, this graveyard, or the cemetery, is in K Road and Simon Street, corner of K Road and Simon Street. And you got to wonder sometimes, the spirit of these people that are buried here, you got to wonder. Well, my wondering has come to this realizations. These are the people who build. These are some of the people who built this great city of Auckland. May they all rest in peace. The gravestones, it's just a memory, distant memory of these wonderful people, just like yourself and I. Once upon a time, or in due time, we will end up in a similar place like these people. The question comes down to, what is your legacy? What have you left behind that can be memorable, that is productive, that can be utilized by the next generations? Will the next generation still remember you? Will the next generation follow some of your concepts and ideas? Will they continue to live out the expectations? And as I walk through this graveyard, my mind wanders of these great people who built this wonderful city that I'm enjoying today, and my family, of course, here perfectly, in a sense, in the middle of Auckland City. As I said earlier, it's a graveyard or cemetery at the corner of Simon Street and Kalanga Road in Auckland. And the question has got to continue to be asked. What are we leaving behind for the next generation to enjoy, instead of just part of the great story of gravestones and graveyards? What is the legacy? What have you left behind? I'm hoping when I die, there'll be a few things that I have left behind for the generation, of course, and my children to inherit and enjoy throughout their lifetime. And hopefully they'll be thankful, of course, of what Dad has done, and of course the community can be proud that they did have a son. But of course, it comes down to your mindset. What is your mindset? What are you sitting on? What is your mindset at? Here we are at the old and the new behind me. The concept is pretty simple, really. What's up here? What's on top of our heads? What's in our heart? And more importantly, just being grateful. Just being grateful for what we have today. I'm grateful because I get the opportunity to walk these streets that I used to walk when I was just a teen. Kalanga Road. And as I walk towards it right now, it's distant memory, but these memories sort of still lives on. And as I promote great fortunes for the future, what have you got prepared? What have you got in action for creating these fortunes in the future? Some of the products that I'm introducing now are basically cryptocurrencies. Should be a link below down here to begin that journey. And it's a beautiful journey, of course. Journey only you can remember the beauty of that journey. I'm excited because I'm seeing the great fortunes that I have taken the opportunity to share with a lot of you, and I'm thankful that a lot of my subscribers has followed some of my recommendations. Now, some of these recommendations may not be perfect, but as long as you start, you'd be surprised what we start today can continue to grow straight into the future, of course. But that's the beauty. We've got to do something today while you're alive. This is 2025, and I'm, of course, enjoying the scenery of a great city of Auckland City. K Road. Some of these takeaways I used to enjoy when I was just a teen. I used to wear school, come and enjoy these lifetime in the city. And basically was just to go down and enjoy some of the movies that was showing down here. Now I am on Queen Street. I'm the corner of Queen Street and K Road. I'm going to look down at it. And basically down the bottom here, it's Queen Street. That's where our journey is going to take us. Down Queen Street. I have the opportunity to walk down this wonderful street once again at my 60 years of life. In the 1970s, 75, 76, I love this place. Used to walk it nearly every day. And of course, as I said, Wagg school to go and see some great movies. At the picture of Fearless, which still there, still exists to today. That's the wonderful thing. Being grateful of what we have. And as I walk down Queen Street, of course, I'm so grateful. But anyway, Steve and I fought from Marford Fortune, Queen Street, Auckland City, New Zealand. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video. I'm going to do some gambling.